Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix error code 0x800f8011 when update Windows 11. So, at the time of this video's publication, this is the only way this can be fixed. What you need to do now is reinstall Windows 11. But don't worry, this won't make you lose any data or any software that you have installed before. To do that, go to Microsoft's Windows 11 download page by clicking the link in the description. Next, scroll down and select Download on Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO, for x64 devices options. Next, select the language you want to install. After that, click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once download is complete, right-click on File Downloaded, then select Mount. Click Open. Now, double-click on Setup Files. Click Next. Click Accept. Here, select Keep Personal Files and Apps. This option will help you keep all the things that are on your computer. Click Next. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once done, please click Check for Update to update. If the error still appears, please click Download and Install. That's it guys. Hope this helps you.